Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show a very simple and important exercise, Vrukshasana. This is very essential for all of us, especially kids during this current pandemic situation where they spend their entire time at home feeling bored. That too, lot of stress through these online classes. Let's get started. First, be in standard ease position. Now, take attention. Slowly fold both your hands and touch ears with thumbs. Now slowly bend your knees, then rise up. Repeat the process for 10 times. This will definitely help releasing stress for kids. This can be done by all age groups. It's not restricted to kids alone. But it plays a key role for improving brain power in kids. This will be followed by Vrukshasana, which is important. Practicing this regularly make a good habit for your kids. Now take standard ease position. Fold your right leg as shown. Slowly raise your hands and hold Namaskar position. Hold in this position for 30 seconds and then slowly release. Slowly breathe in and breathe out while doing this. Now slowly release. Rest for 10 seconds and then repeat with another leg. Doing 5 to 10 sets will definitely improve. Do this simple exercise daily, morning and evening, and it will definitely make a difference. Dear parents, try it with all your kids and let me know in comment section how it goes for them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.